This is little Ada, my little granddaughter. Look, she's very beautiful, little Ada. She's a sweetie. She's a good girl. Look at little Ada. Isn't she lovely? Yeah? Hmm? She keeps opening her eyes and looking at me, then going back to sleep. Hmm? But she's full of food, and really she's very lovely. Can you see Ada? Can you see little Ada? Look, there she is. She's a sweetheart. Yeah? Aren't you, little Ada? Yeah? Hmm? There's Ada. That's a good look. See her making the squeaking? Can you hear her squeaking? She's lovely. She's a lovely little sweetie. Aren't you, baby Ada? Really? Yeah?